April is one of those months where the sky is busy, but you have to know where to look. I'm Carly Stocks with Dark Sky Utah. This month we've got a bright moon early in the month, a great dark sky window around the new moon, the Lyrid meteor shower, and some really nice planet and moon pairings, including Venus near the Pleiades star cluster. Let's walk through what to watch for in April 2026. April is a sweet spot for photographers. Galaxy season is still going strong in the late evening. The Milky Way core is returning earlier each morning, and it's noticeably higher than it was in March. And we get a solid new moon window mid-month for dark sky work. Early April starts with a full pink moon around April 1st and 2nd, depending on your time zone. That means the first part of the month is not ideal for Milky Way or faint galaxies, but it's great for moonlit landscapes, dramatic close-ups of the full moon, and testing compositions and practicing focus and panorama techniques without working in total darkness. If you want a quick planet challenge, Mercury reaches its greatest western elongation on April 3rd, meaning it's about as far from the sun as it gets in the morning sky, and it's easier to spot. You will still need a clear eastern horizon right before sunrise to catch it. From April 15th through the 22nd, Mercury, Mars, and Saturn gather very low in the eastern sky before sunrise. This is a binocular-friendly event, but it's tight, so make sure you aren't using binoculars near sunrise to protect your eyes. You're working with roughly a 15 to 20 minute window before sunrise. A clear, clean eastern horizon matters a lot. Binoculars can help you see them better, but be cautious. If you like photographing planets near twilight, this is a great week to set an early alarm. April 17th is the new moon, which is your best dark sky window of the month. This is the time to plan deep sky galaxy photos of Leo and Virgo regions, or clear Milky Way pre-dawn shots and dark sky panoramas without moonlight lifting your shadows. If you do one serious astro trip in April, aim for the nights around this date. If you want to capture the Milky Way but aren't sure how, check out my Milky Way in Motion course. It takes you through the process step by step. I'm so confident I can teach you Milky Way photography, I even have a guarantee. You can find the link to the course in the description below. On April 18th and 19th, the waxing crescent moon appears close to Venus and the Pleiades star cluster in the western sky. This is one of the prettiest visual pairings in April. Use a wide lens for a landscape version, or a short telephoto if you want the moon, Venus, and the cluster to look tighter. Shoot about 45 minutes after sunset so the Pleiades shows up better. Even after the moon moves on, Venus stays close to the cluster for about a week, with the closest night around April 23rd through 24th. This is a great time to get a clean planet plus star cluster shot, or a nice dusk to dark time-lapse sequence as the night sky deepens and they set. The big meteor event this month is the Lyrid, which will be active in the second half of April. It peaks the night of April 21st into early April 22nd. Expect something like 10 to 20 meteors per hour from a dark site, with occasional bright ones streaking across the sky. The radiant is near Lyrid, which is close to the bright star Vega. This rises in the northeast around 10 p.m. and is basically overhead by the peak just before 4 a.m. local time. You can point your camera at the radiant for dramatic images, but you will see more meteors by lying back and taking in as much of the sky as possible. For meteor photography, I recommend a wide lens with a low f-number or fast aperture. Use an intervalometer for continuous shooting. Use the 400 rule or my Milky Way settings calculator to find the perfect shutter speed for your camera. It will typically be between 10 to 20 seconds for wide lenses. Next, find an interesting foreground for your image. Those tend to be more compelling than images of just the sky. Stay out for at least an hour to increase your odds of seeing meteors. On April 22nd, the moon appears close to Jupiter in the evening sky. This is an easy one for beginners because it helps you locate Jupiter fast, and it makes a nice, simple photo with a wide lens. On April 25th, the waxing gibbous moon passes the bright star Regulus in the constellation Leo. And in some areas you'll see an occultation. This is where the star disappears behind the moon. This will be visible in eastern North America and parts of Central and South America. In the rest of the US, it will just be a close pass. So check your sky apps for visibility or this visibility map to see if you are in that zone. April is a great month because it gives you a little bit of everything. A dark sky window around April 18th, a gorgeous crescent moon with Venus and the Pleiades on April 18th through 19th, and the Lyrid meteor shower on April 21st through the 22nd. And a pre-dawn planet lineup mid-month if you like early mornings. Let me know what you are most excited about in the comments. If you'd like my monthly night sky guide delivered right to your email, make sure you join my free newsletter. You'll find the link to join in the description and comments. Please subscribe and check out this next video for more night photography content. Until next time, take care and clear skies.